कुजिरा बांबोळेच्या रोजरी हायस्कुलाच्या भुरग्यांनी वास्कोच्या वाड्या तळ्यात राफ्टिंग करपाची एक मनरिजवण कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडली. रोजरी स्कुलाच्या स्काउट अँड गायडच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी ह्या कार्यावळीत वांटो घेतलो. लाकडाच्या बांदिल्ल्या होड्यात विद्यार्थ्यांनी बसून आपली उमेद भागयली.
रोजरी हायस्कुलाच्या स्काउट अँड गायड पंगडान ही तांच्या एके कार्यावळीचो भाग म्हण आगळी वेगळी मनरिजवण कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडिल्ली. स्काउट अँड गायडाच्या मास्टरांनी ह्यो लाकडाच्यो होडयो आपल्या हातांनी तयार केल्ल्यो आनी तांकां विद्यार्थ्यांची मजत मेळ्ळी. लायफ गार्डाच्या देखरेखे खाला विद्यार्थ्यांनी ह्यो होडयो चलयल्यो. येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिनो ह्या वेळार मुखेल सोयरो म्हण हजर आशिल्लो.
This is the 7th year that the school students are doing rafting here, and this is happening because of the beautified Wadem Lake. Not only they, so many other people come here and do rafting. I am very happy that this activity is taking place on the occasion of the birthday of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. I think not only this program, so many other programs including the beach cleaning which we just launched are taking place. Similarly, a visit to the Balwadi where what they needed has been given to them. So this is going to help promote goodness in society and improving the lack of infrastructure. Anything that the students need, the school needs, is being fulfilled. So I think this is a very good program being launched, or various programs being launched on the occasion of the birthday. Is going to help us to do many things which our citizens require, our young students require.
Rafting was introduced in our school by our late Scout Master, Mr. Nameshwar Sangle, whom today we remember with love and gratitude. We have 6 rafts which have been made by our Scout Master, Alvito Di Costa, Sir Hiram, and a few scouts of Standard 8 and 9. Scouting, they say, is outing, and this is what we try to give our students this experience. They learn a number of life lessons in a fun way. Today they will learn or get rid of their fear of water. They will learn to cooperate with each other, have concern for one another, perseverance. And when they are out there in the water, I'm sure they will value life a lot. So here at the Rosary High School, we do everything with love. And when things are done with love.
गोवा 365 खातीर वास्कोच्यान हिरुमा आली.